तमिलनाडु के वजीर आला DMK स्टालिन ने तेलंगाना के वजीर आला रेवंत रेड्डी को हल्का बंदियों से होने वाले नुकसानात पर तबादला ख्याल के लिए मदऊ किया। तमिलनाडु के वजीर TK नेहरू की क़यादत में DMK वफ़द ने दिल्ली में रेवंत रेड्डी से मुलाकात करके उन्हें बाज़ाब्ता दावत दी। स्टालिन ने 22 तारीख को एक इजलास तलब किया है, जिसमें जुनूबी रियासतों के वज़राए आला और साबिक वज़राए आला हल्का बंदियों के असरात पर तबादला ख्याल करें।
Mr. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Stalin has sent his delegation to second meeting in Chennai regarding Janata Party is conspiring against southern states in the name of delimitation. Limitation for South. This is not delimitation. This is a limitation for South. At any cost, we are not going to accept that limitation. We are paying more tax than North India. We are more entrepreneurs. We are contributing everything for the nation. But Bharatiya Janata Party wants to settle score against South India. Why? Because South Indians are never allowed to grow Bharatiya Janata Party. Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, even Karnataka also they have defeated. They don't have any representation in Andhra Pradesh. That is why they wanted to settle a score. This is called vendetta politics. Government of India, headed by Bharatiya Janata Party or NDA, conspiring against the South. I am welcoming Mr. Stalin. He has initiated this discussion. He is going to organize a meeting. Congress Party, in principle, have agreed to attend this meeting. Then finally I have to take a permission from my High Command. Then definitely I will attend that meeting.